What's up, peeps? Welcome back to Cyril Plays and Thursday's cooking video. We're making brownies. Got my daughter Yazzie here, who's gonna help because this is a two-person job. No, I'm joking. You can make this on your own, but we're gonna do it together so it's quicker. Here we go. So I'm gonna go through the ingredients first because there's quite a lot while Yazzie is cutting the chocolate. Right, so we need, you might want to write this down. 250 grams of unsalted butter. I'm reading it from the sheet because there's a lot to remember. 225 grams of semi-sweet, bittersweet dark chocolate. We've reduced, excuse the voice, we've reduced the granulated sugar in this because we don't think you need that much. You can do that how you feel. The granulated sugar is supposed to be 400 grams, but we're only putting half of that in. 200 grams. We've got 1 tablespoon of espresso powder, 90 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of dark brown sugar, 110 to be precise, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of salt, 6 large eggs, 125 grams of all-purpose flour. We're using plain, and flaky sea salt if you want for the top. We're not bothering with that. So let's get on with it. Right, so we have the chocolate, which Yazzie is cutting up. 225 grams, semi-sweet, dark chocolate.
Semi-sweet is actually milk chocolate, just to let you guys know.
Yes, milk chocolate, guys.
But this is plain chocolate, so it's not really dark chocolate, but it's like a little bit in between, I guess.
Okay, and you can use dark chocolate as well.
You can use any chocolate you like, because at the end of the day, you're the one who's going to be eating it.
Yes. So we've got our butter here. This is 250 grams of unsalted butter. I'm going to melt that now. So I'm just going to get the boiling water. We're going to put that in here. We're going to sit this bowl on the top with the butter in and keep mixing. So our butter's melted now, and we're going to get our chocolate, which is all cut into pieces. We're going to get our cocoa powder, 30 grams, put that in. And we're going to put a tablespoon of espresso powder in.
On the floor. We pour it over and let it sit for 2 minutes, like no mixing.
We're going to let it sit for 2 minutes and then we're going to mix it. Right, now we're adding all our sugars in. So we've got the granulated sugar going in first, 200 grams. Our brown sugar going in, 100 grams. 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Smells good.
Oh.
And 6 eggs.
Thingy.
Right, we're going to whisk this. The chocolate mixture. Ooh, look at this. And at the same time, Yazzie's going to be whisking this.
For 10 minutes until
10
it's fluffy.
minutes.
Wow.
Oh God, it sounds like the dentist. Help! Start adding your chocolate slowly and gradually and keep whisking for 10 minutes until fluffy. So we're going to sift the flour in. Cocoa. Then we're going to fold this. So we've lined the tin so that we can pull these bits to pull out the brownie at the end. We're going to put our mixture in here now. Have to lick the bowl. 20 minutes in the oven, guys. Once it's been in there for 20 minutes, we have to take it out and whack it on the surface so that it settles into the tin, and then bake it again for another 20 minutes.
Yep.
Here we go. 180 degrees, guys. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Do a little dance while you wait. Okay guys, 20 minutes is up. Oh my god, mine looks more like a cake because I didn't use a flatter tin. Obviously with brownies you need them to be quite thin, but oh well, we don't mind. Look at this. So you can sprinkle your flaky salt on now if you're doing that bit, and we're going to let it cool down a little bit on a little rack, and then we're going to taste it. Right, I'm going to cut it in even squares. Ooh. Oh, it's not straight. Okay, let's taste it. Oh my god! So nice, look.
Ooh.
Shut up, then. 10 out of 10. Love it. Let me know how yours goes, as always. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Talking with my mouth full again. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.